Although there are many different types of cephalopods, the octopus group makes up almost a third of the entire population of cephalopods around the world. The common octopus, also called the Octopus vulgaris, is one of the most studied octopus species due to a number of its unique behaviors and features. It may be difficult to find a common octopus in the ocean, but it can become very easy if you know what to look for. The common octopus is mainly found in tropical and semi-tropical waters around the world. These octopus are usually found in 25 to 50 meters of water, but are occasionally spotted in depths up to 200 meters. The common octopus mainly inhabits rocky, sandy, and reef substrates, and mainly feeds during the night, but it will still come out of their dens a few times during each day. Even though the common octopus has been found in deep water, the majority of them still like living in shallow water that is close to land. The only living requirement for the common octopus is that there needs to be reefs or rubble so the octopus will have something to live under and have some protection while they are living there. The common octopus hunts mainly at dusk and eats almost anything that is possible for them to catch, but they do prefer eating crabs, crayfish, and mollusks. The way the common octopus hunts is very unique because it is able to change color to blend in with any surroundings, making it much harder for them to be spotted by their prey or predators. When its prey comes into the octopus's path, the octopus jumps on it, and the secreted nerve poison from the octopus paralyzes the prey and allows the octopus to eat its prey without the prey trying to get away. The suckers on each of the 8 octopus's tentacles are then used to hold any prey tightly so they cannot get away from the octopus attack. The common octopus's main predators are eels and sharks, but many other predators include seals, whales, sharks, sea turtles, larger fish, and even other octopuses eat the common octopus. The average lifespan of the common octopus is about 1 to 2 years. In the reproduction of the common octopus, the female spends extra time caring for their eggs. The way in which the common octopus reproduces is the males produce and maintain sperm in sacs called spermatophores, which then the male deposit these sacs into the females using the hectoclotus, which is the adaptation of the third arm of the female. The hectoclotus has a hollowed-out groove that holds the spermatophores, and uses this arm to deposit the sperm into the female's oviduct. Although the males are usually ready for reproduction before females, they are still able to coordinate reproduction at the same time. The reason they are able to do this is, when the male deposits the sperm into the female is able to store the sperm until she is sexually mature and able to reproduce. Once mating is successful and the conditions are good for fertilization to occur, the female lays her eggs, which then attach themselves to a substrate in their den, in a group or individually. At this point, the female will stop growing and will not eat for the rest of her life. The female then takes care and protects all of the eggs in the den, and when the eggs hatch, both the father and mother of the eggs will die. Every time a female lays eggs, she lays about 100,000 to 500,000 at a time, which are all about the size of a grain of rice. When these eggs hatch, they live in plankton for about 1 to 2 months, and any of the juveniles that survive will live for 1 to 2 years, and during that time they will repeat the life cycle. The common octopus has 8 tentacles with suction cups on each one of them. Each of these limbs have no internal skeleton whatsoever and only have muscular hydrostats. The common octopus has no skeleton in it at all, not even in its main body. The only hard part of the whole octopus is its beak. This allows octopuses to squeeze into any narrow openings in rocks, creating additional protection for the octopuses against predators, when they are able to hide in many places where predators cannot get into. The common octopus also has a pouch-shaped body and two large, highly developed eyes. The common octopus's mouth is located at the center point where all the arms meet. These octopuses are bilaterally symmetrical, with two eyes and four pairs of arms. The common octopus has very many unique features and behaviors, especially the way it hides and escapes from predators. The first and most important defense the common octopus has is its ability to hide from predators, using its ability to camouflage into anything it is swimming over. It uses pigment cells and specialized muscles in its skin to almost instantly match any of the colors, textures, and patterns of any surroundings, and uses this to hide from any nearby predators. If the octopus was discovered by any of its predators, it would use its second defense system, which is releasing a black cloud of ink, not only to blur the attacker's view, but it also dulls the predator's sense of smell, making it very difficult for the predator to find the octopus after it releases the cloud of ink. Another unique feature the common octopus has is that it has no internal-external skeleton whatsoever, allowing it to squeeze into very small openings for shelter away from predators. The common octopus not only has many unique things in its behavior, but it also has unique body features. The common octopus has three hearts, two that pump blood through each of the two gills, and the third pumps blood through the body. The only hard part of the common octopus is its beak, and it also has venomous saliva, which are both used to kill prey. If the worst happened to the octopus and it lost a limb, it is able to live without it, and it will eventually grow it back. The common octopus is a very unique marine creature among all other marine invertebrates due to their significantly greater extent of intelligence, their interesting ways of avoiding predators, and lastly, its ability to grow back and eat Nalfon.